What's up? Hello, what's up, my people? Yeah, man. Ha, it's me again. Yeah, you already know. If you always see this, what do you call it? If you see this, it's an FL studio, man. We, I did a bit. Yeah, so yeah, so that's a bit. It's on fire. Yeah, I know, it's on fire. So let's break it down. Yeah, so I started with this plugin from GMS. Yeah, so this is a plugin. Yeah, all right. So my BPM 100, project key G sharp minor. Yeah, so I did something like this. Yeah, you can actually copy what I did. Yeah, you've seen the yeah. So that's the plugin from GMS. Um, I added my Sankura. Don't know what's yeah. So that's the sounded like this. Yeah, boom 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 boom. Yeah, so after that I added this one to spice up. So from Sankura. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so that's it. And I also added this one from my intro and my chorus. It's a sound from Flex. Yeah, plugin from FL. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. I don't know the key. And I added my oh, I also forgot I added also this one, a sound from Flex also. I need to finish with. sound. It's a marimba. Yeah, so yeah, that's the sound. And what's next? My lead. Also added a lead. Yeah. So my lead sounded like this. Yeah, so that was my lead. And my bass line next. Wow, so this is my acoustic. Yeah, so this is my acoustic bass. Yeah, it's for a sound. Hey, what am I saying, bro? It's a sound from Toxic Biohazard. Yeah, and it sounded like this. I think okay. Yeah, so I guess I should adjust this not to. Yeah, so that was my bass line and my kicks. So my kicks, I added a rim, also added a snare and my kick. Yeah, so they both sounded like this. Um, yeah, here you put that here. All right. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So that's it. And I finally got my beat. Yeah, that is how it sounds. Yeah. Yeah, the part of the chorus. Yeah, so that's how it sounds. Let's see. Wow, it's a really wonderful beat. Thank you guys. So that's it for today. And peace out. Peace out.